Vast, rugged, and inhospitable, Namibia is a land of barren beauty. It's also the cheetah capital of the world.
In the past, a captured cheetah like this would usually be shot or sold to a dealer and end its days in a zoo. But now there's a far different outcome.
Okay, are we ready?
Like many farmers in this region, Gosso has agreed to cooperate with the Cheetah Conservation Fund to give this cat a pardon and another chance to survive. The wild cheetah is darted with a tranquilizer, then taken into the research clinic for a full biomedical assessment. Hundreds of other wild cheetahs have been examined here in this clinic. From now on, this cheetah will be known as number 1502.
Looks like a young male who's coming into his prime. The cat's in excellent health.
An ID tag is clipped on the ear. A full set of body measurements are taken, as well as samples of blood, skin, and other tissues. Genetic problems are another threat to the cheetah's survival. Information gathered from sperm analysis goes to a global genome resource bank. Sperm cells are frozen and stored for future use. Insurance against unforeseen catastrophes, such as disease, that could be disastrous to the cheetah population. Examining cheetah 1502 at the clinic, everyone here is aware this healthy, dominant male is a symbol of hope for this species.
He represents 16 years of our work here, I guess, and the fact that he's now going to be able to go back and maybe we'll be able to track even some of his family lines. Well done.
Number 1502's checkup is finished. He'll soon wake up, maybe with a slight headache, but with no recollection of all the sticking and probing in the clinic.
So here we go.
Okay.
There he goes. That was it. Well, that was nice.
It's just one cheetah.
If cheetahs die out in the wild, artificial insemination of captive animals could keep the species from going extinct. But only if researchers like Adrienne can learn how to freeze and thaw the fragile sperm cells safely. Seen under a microscope, they're notoriously unhealthy. Why such a low count and such poor quality? The answer to this puzzle takes us back in time to a hidden chapter of the cheetah's story. Around 10,000 years ago, during the last great ice age, the cheetah came within a whisker of extinction. Only a handful of closely related animals survived. By breeding among themselves, they kept the species from dying out. But not without a price. Because they descend from inbred ancestors, today's cheetahs all share very similar genetic profiles. They're practically clones. Somewhere down in that haystack there's a needle with a transmitter. He sees what he's looking for, a healthy-looking male on the move.
Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. Like that, okay.
Using scent-marking trees as study sites, researchers set camera traps with motion and heat sensors to photograph cheetahs. Spot patterns identify individual animals, information essential to estimate cheetah numbers and density, and to reach an accurate estimate of the total population of cheetahs in Namibia. And yet, as we've seen, saving cheetahs across their entire range may still be possible if we can only accept the idea that we really can live together.